Come on, people, come on, people, come on, people, 'cause we've been Miss Faye way food is life. Come on, people, come on, people, come on, people, 'cause we've been Miss Faye way food is life. Come on, people. Welcome to Cooking with Mrs. Faye, where food is life. Before I get started, please take the time to subscribe to my channel. The dish that I'll be making for you today is a hearty potato and bean stew with sausage. That's right, a hearty potato and bean stew with sausage. The ingredients are green beans, garlic, salt, sausage, onion soup mix, oil, onion, pepper, and potatoes. When I come back, I'll show you how to put this dish together. I'm beginning with a hot pan, and I'm going to pour some oil in it. Okay? And after putting this oil in it, I'm going to add my onions. You hear a little sizzle? We're going to saute this onion. And also, in a little while, I'm going to put the potatoes in. We can brown that together. At least cook it. Hope I don't have too much water in it. As you can tell, these potatoes are in chunks. And we're going to try to cook it so it can get soft before I add the liquid to it. So the potatoes and the onions. Okay. Smell good. So we're gonna brown these a little bit, as much as we can. I'm gonna add a little seasoning, not now, but I'm gonna add a little seasoning. And all is going to cook down after a while. I cut up the sausage. I usually put mine in the microwave for a little while, then add it to my pot so I can cook some more. So what I'm going to do is add a little garlic, pepper, and salt. And let this cook down some. This is the garlic. Little or less, according to what you like. The salt. Be careful with that because you're going to add some onion soup mix. And of course, black pepper. Okay. So we can let this cook down. And what I'm going to do now also is go ahead and add my onion soup mix to this. And then I'm going to cover it for a little while, maybe 5 or 10 minutes maybe. And then I'll come back and show you where we are. Onion soup mix. So let this cook for a little while and soften. When I come back, I'll add some liquid. But so far, so good. It's looking really good. Smell good too. Onions and potatoes. So I'll be back shortly. Let this cook down some. I'll be back. Okay, as you could tell, I let the potato brown a little. The onion has sauteed some. The potatoes have been cooking. It is still not soft. So what I'm going to do is add some hot water. And what's that going to do? And what that's going to do is help cook this potato. So I'm going to cover this and let it cook down. And once I do that, I'll come back and I'll add the string beans. The string beans once I feel that the potatoes is a little soft. Okay? I also going to add some the broth mixture into this. Okay? To help with the flavor. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover this and let this cook down. And when you come back, I'll probably add some of the string beans to it and let that cook down. Okay, I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. I wanted to come back and let you see that if you stick your fork in the potato, see it's breaking apart. That's great. Now what we're going to do now is add the string beans from the can. I have one that I left the water in. I saved the liquid, but I kept one in, and the others, I'm just going to add the string beans. If you have a small family, cut down on your potato and cut down on the string beans. I'm using 6 cans because they love it. And I'm going to stir up everything. And the last thing I'm going to add to this will be the sausage. Now what I'm going to do with that sausage, I'm going to put it in the microwave for a short minute. Then I'm going to add it to my pot and let it cook down. Don't that look great? Now you could continue to taste to see if you like the seasoning. If you want to add more, do that. If not, that's fine too. Won't that look good? If this is not thick enough for you, because the potato has starch in it, you can probably add a little bit of cornstarch. But right now, that is good. Okay, when I come back, I'll add the sausage to it, and I'm going to let this cook down for a little while. Okay, I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm back. This has been on for about 8 to 10 minutes after I add the string beans. I also added the remainder of the string beans juice. Okay, now as you can tell, you see, that's what you're looking for. Now what I'm going to do is add some cornstarch to this. And the liquid from the cornstarch is the juice from the string beans. And I put about 2 teaspoons of these inside the string bean juice. Okay? And I'm going to add that to this mixture. This is going to help to thicken it more than it is. It doesn't look so, but it is, or it will. Also, I have the sausage. I put it in the microwave, and this is how it looks. I cut it up long ways, so I'm going to add that. Sorry about that, making a little noise. Now you just take this and you just stir it And what you're going to do now is to just let it cook for about 5 to 6 minutes, or maybe even 10. And you'll have your dish. Okay, don't that looks good? Now you can taste for seasoning. Your sausage is going to have seasoning in it, so be careful with your salt. Okay. Look at that. Look at it. You can eat this with some rice. You can have a piece of cornbread. Just whatever you want. I'll be back with the final dish.